Tacteasy's new factory located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Covering an area of 6,000 square meters, the location is advantageous. Tacteasy is known for both ingenious product designing and software technical innovation. Tacteasy is always committed to offering greatly convenient services and the best products to provide to our customers in over 100 countries and regions worldwide, which made our products and services provides to our customers at the highest level. Adopt 10,000 level and 100,000 level dust-free purification workshops. ISO 4 level dust-free mobile assembly lines with a total area of 2,000 square meters. Advanced and complete testing technology to ensure production capacity. Drop test, salt spray test, vibration test, high-low temperature test, crash test, aging test, etc. Fully functional test before shipment. 48 hours aging area. Pack it in sturdy cartons and store it in the warehouse, ready to be shipped to customers. At present, Tacteasy has business dealings with customers in more than 100 countries around the world. We hope to have the opportunity to cooperate with you.